Sri Mahasakti, Hidamba Devi Temple, locally known as Dungari Temple, also known variously as Hidamba Temple, is located in Manali, a hill station in the state of Himachal Pradesh, India. It is an ancient cave temple dedicated to Hidambi Devi, wife of one of the Pandavas, Bhima, from Mahabharata epic. The temple is surrounded by a thick forest called Dungrivan Bahar at the foot of Himalayas. The sanctuary is built over a huge rock jutting out of the ground, which was worshipped as an image of the deity. The forest cover around Hidamba Devi temple is impressively thick, sunlight failing to touch the ground at many places. No wonder that the presiding deity of the temple is also known as the forest goddess or goddess of nature. Hidamba Devi temple was built in 1553 CE by Maharaja Bahadur Singh. The temple is built around a cave where Devi Hidamba performed meditation. Hidamba was supposed to have lived there with her brother Hidam, and not much is known about their parents. Born into Raksasa's family, Hidamba vowed to marry only who would defeat her brother Hidam, who was supposed to be a very brave and fearless. During Pandava's exile, when they visited Manali, Bhima, one of the 5 Pandavas, killed Hidam. Thereafter, Hidamba married Bhima and gave birth to their son Gadotkaja. A shrine dedicated to Gadotkaja is also located nearby. It's just 70 meters away from the temple. At the first glance, anyone will fall in love with the quaint little temple. The entire structure is made of wood in pagoda style with rich carvings on doors, windows. The sanctuary has a 3-tiered structure covered with square wood planks summoned by a cone-shaped shikara. The main entrance of temple was intricate carvings on door centered on goddess Durga. Hidamba Devi is believed to be one of the reincarnations of goddess Durga. The interior of the temple has no idol but a large rock with footprint of the deity representing goddess Hidamba Devi. Strangely, if anyone check this temple in Google satellite and zoom in the area where temple is located, they will notice an imprint of a giant foot extended over the adjoining area of the valley. The believers claim this is the most surprising feature of the temple, reassuring faith in the legend behind it. In view of historical and architectural importance, the temple was declared protected as monument of national importance by Indian government. The exterior of the temple is decorated with horns of animals and has pillars ornamental with carvings of deities and rich designs such as nods, animal figures, corals, etc. People in Manali worship Hidamba Devi as a deity during Navaratri. All Hindus across the nation worship goddess Durga. Queues of people can be seen outside the temple, but the crowd increases during Navaratri. The best time to visit temple is September to April if anyone wishes to beat the crowds, else it stays open all through the year. Winters often bring heavy snowfall to Manali and the temple makes for a quite a stunning sight then. The temple is located around 2 kilometers from Manali town. Om Sri Mahasakti. If you like this video, please click like button. If you would like to share with others, please click share button. If you would like to get more updates about Darshan Chalo channel, please click subscribe button. Thank you.